Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you tutorial how to restore photo on Google Photos for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, we go to Google Photos application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Google Photos here. And after that, you can see there is a have a photo search, sharing, and library in the bottom. You can click the library. Now for the next step, you can click the trash in the upper of the below of the utilities about the trash. Click on the trash. You can see the photos have been to be deleted for you and how to be restored. You can click on the photos that you want to be restored for you. Okay, click on the photos here. And then you can see the photos is not permanently to be deleted, and until the 50 of the days it can be deleted permanently. Okay, how to be restored? You can click the restore, and then allow photos to move this photo out of the trash. You can click allow it, and now your trash is empty. Now there's nothing in trash here. Okay, go to the photos and let's see the photos is come back for your Google Photos. Okay, this is a tutorial how to restore photo on Google Photos for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.